The University and College Union have announced 14-day strikes at 74 universities. The action is to start on the 20th of February and escalate each week.
We need to be confident that we're going to get a decent pension when we retire, or that we're going to have a proper contract, or that we're going to be paid adequately for the work we're doing. And we're kind of at the end of our tethers.
Changes to the university's superannuation scheme since 2011 mean staff have been losing tens of thousands of pounds in retirement. A typical member will pay around £40,000 more into their pension, but in retirement receive almost £200,000 less. This leaves them £240,000 worse off in total. The Strike Support Network at the University of Manchester held a meeting to discuss why students should not cross the picket line.
If the lecturers are going on strike, we need to do as much as possible to work for our conditions, because if they're suffering, then it means that ultimately our education is suffering. The amount of time that they are paid for to work is just not working in the situation that they're in, and they need to have far more support from the university to give us the education that they're charging us exorbitant fees for.
However, not all students are in support of strikes. 1.2 million could not attend lectures due to striking, and universities have handed out nearly £3 million to students for lost teaching hours in recent years.
Being a lecturer is not a 9 till 5 job. I have been working all over the weekend, regularly, for most of my career, to the extent that my children don't want to be academics because they see the amount that we work, and we're not recompensed for that.
The striking will begin on Thursday the 20th of February and will continue until the 13th of March.